Come with us going camping. We go camping in the dome. Mommy and Daddy's bed's so nice. Well, guys, we are out camping and Daddy's right here. Daddy's right here cooking food. Daddy's right here cooking food.
Hi, baby.
And this is Mommy sitting down with me.
Hi, guys.
And this is Marika walking.
Say hi, Marika.
Want to walk in?
And we are camping and eat marshmallows in the night. It was so good. I like the marshmallows and I like to eat.
Show the guys though.
There's a lot of marshmallows in the bag. I like marshmallows. They're tasting so good. They make my eye. And guys, you will see the inside. See, look at the inside. Hello guys, this is the dome. And look at this we have. We have a nice bed right here for me, Marika. It's so cute. This bed's so cute. I wish I will get this bed and bring it home. And we have a fluffy bed and hello guys, there's a bed and here's the and take this viewing sky down. It's so nice. Pretty bright. And Mommy right here. And here's my sister right here outside. Here's my sister right here outside. Say hi, Marika. Hi. And here's my daddy here. And here's my daddy right here with cooking food.
Trini, I'm Trini. Good job, baby. Good job.
Thank you for coming camping with me.